There you are. I found you. It's been so long. Where have you been? Missed you. Hello guys, and welcome back to another exciting vlog. Wow, it's been a minute. I'm sorry for taking so long to post. I know it's been a really long time, but I'm back. Yeah, I'm really excited. I feel like it's just like a fresh start and there's gonna be new content. Yeah, thank you so much for still being here, watching my vlogs. So appreciate you all. I guess let's just get back into this vlog.
Welcome to Adelia's vlog.
You know my intro?
Yes. Welcome to another exciting video.
Vlog. What's a good Adelia impression?
Have you ever been in her vlog?
No, this is my first
I
time
haven't.
on the channel.
Thank you so much for having me. Look at me.
Me and Adelia are going to get Starbucks.
No.
You guys, we're happy to be back. We've been begging for her to
Are you
come.
gonna?
Oh, yes. What? I'm stressed out. What?
What do you mean?
So you just moved.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, I just.
And I was just, you know, at Target for the 10th time today.
Okay.
And I got you a cute little
I'm so sorry. Adelia, what? This is so nice.
I didn't do that.
Oh my gosh, why do you know me so well? How do you know me so well?
Not joking, I saw everything. I go, Ella.
Okay, first off, fuzzy socks. You cannot catch me without fuzzy socks on.
Do you have fuzzy socks on right now?
I have Uggs on.
Okay, I caught her.
When we feel like no.
Okay, we're back.
Okay, second off, a mug. Okay,
It doesn't that just scream Ella?
It does.
It's
It
so
truly
cute.
does.
Okay, guys.
Okay, it's a big old mug, isn't it? Focus?
No, like-
But there's more?
Candle. And it smells so good because I'm on the
Adelia,
candles.
Seriously, these are my 3 favorite things on earth.
And on?
Thank
Guys, I'm
you
still
so
here.
much.
Oh.
Adelia, you're the sweetest person on earth. What the heck? I don't deserve you.
Thank you.
And neither does Bobby.
What the?
Why are you Santa Claus today? Give me everyone a gift.
I don't know. I was at Target and I was like, there's so many cool things. I just want to buy all of it.
This is unreal, you guys.
It is unreal.
Thank you so much. This is the
Thanks.
sweetest thing ever.
Okay, this is your vlog. You vlog it.
Okay, back to Bobby's vlog.
See ya. Okay.
We're back.
Hey.
Hey.
And look what
We went to Starbucks.
We went to Starbucks, tried all these drinks, and Bobby hated all of them.
Sorry guys if you're a coffee drinker. If you're non-coffee drinkers, what's up?
It was so good. We got chestnut praline. Adelia spelled it. Adelia put it on the screen. Pray, P-R-A-Y, L-E-N-E, praline.
I don't even know what that is, to be honest.
Praline.
So I'm kind of on your side. I don't know that's necessarily a word. Is that like a nut?
Yeah.
Praline, yeah.
Praline nut?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew that.
So we got chestnut praline, peppermint hot chocolate, iced chai with brown sugar, and espresso, and we got apple oat milk macchiato.
And now my voice sounds like this. Yeah, I don't drink caffeine and then I got some caffeine. She's like that. I don't know. Adelia?
Yes.
What was your favorite?
The brown sugar. What was yours?
Hot chocolate.
Mine was the brown sugar chai.
Not it to throw all this away. Oh!
I'm gonna toss it into the middle of the street.
Welcome to my home. It's fully furnished.
New home?
Ready to go.
Whoa!
Take a selfie on my bedroom.
That's actually the cutest bed ever.
Wait, seat test. See if it's comfortable.
Yeah, you can jump on.
Wow!
Take a seat in my fuzzy chair. You gonna stay a while?
Yawn. I'm sleepy. I need 80 pillows.
And welcome to my bathroom. Let's
There's porn there. Oh.
look at the lighting. Look. Yep. So let's step in.
What are you talking about?
Look. Imagine I turn the shower on.
Don't.
Adelia, let's teach Bobby a TikTok dance.
Yeah.
Hello, everybody. We're gonna play a new game. Okay, so I'm gonna do would I rather do this or do that?
Okay.
And one of them is true, obviously. You guys pick.
Okay,
Do
wait.
we?
And then there's a winner at the end.
Yes.
How many questions?
5 so far.
Okay.
Okay, there's questions, would you rather, and then we'll see who knows you better, right?
Yeah.
And then what's the prize?
I'll buy you lunch or dinner.
Everyone?
Yeah.
Big prize, a lot on the line. Here we go.
We're gonna start with a little simple one. What is my favorite animal? Kitten or a panda bear?
It's gonna be like this, huh? Do you know?
Can we say it?
Whoa, you have one?
I'm gonna say 3, 2, 1, and you guys say it. 3, 2, 1.
Panda.
I said it first.
And I knew.
Good
Well, I
I
did.
knew for a fact
You-
the second she
you
said it.
guessed it.
Really?
Yeah.
You-
Next question. Would I rather stay in or go out?
What?
3, 2, 1.
Stay in.
Yeah, you guys are on
We're against each other. Don't fist bump me every time. I'm against you. You're my enemy. We are on fire. Don't fist bump. Oh my god. She hit her head on a full-on computer.
Amelia, it bounced.
Oh, I just broke it.
Her head bounced off the computer.
She went like, are you okay?
Yeah. No, you're not.
You just got knocked.
Did I break it? No.
She's like, ha ha ha. Bed's so bouncy, her head bounced.
Oh my god.
Don't read the things. You're cheating.
Almond milk or oat milk?
Ooh.
3, 2, 1.
Almond milk. Did you say oat? I said almond.
Almond.
Let's go. Loser!
How many tattoos do I have? 20 or 25? In 3, 2, 1.
20.
25. Losers! Who's the older twin, Lyra or I? In 3, 2, 1.
You.
I am none of questions.
So I won.
So I buy both of you dinner or lunch.
Let's go. We did.
Okay, I'm sweating. And that is the end of the game. That's the end of the game. We tied, and that should make you feel bad.
Don't end it on a negative note. To me, we were just dabbing it up.
Yeah. Bye guys, thanks
See ya.
for letting
Thank
us
you.
play.
Lyra called me. She said, please come take me to the Party City to get Corbin birthday balloons. So that is what I'm gonna do. Now, we're going to pick her up. I'm going to surprise Lyra with some Starbies. I should probably text her what she wants. Oh, shoot. I'm at Starbucks drive-thru. What would you like?
Caramel macchiato with almond milk. Just like a small one.
Yes.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I want a holiday drink. Maybe a sugar cookie latte, pumpkin spice latte, peppermint latte. The drinks are secured. Now I'm on my way to get Lyra.
Hello.
Good morning, sunshine. I got you a coffee. Take a sip. Yep. Your door is open. Shit. Fuck. Your door is still open. No. Slam it. Ah! Don't hurt Linda. The worst camera angle ever in the history of camera angles. Wow, we look beat. We're gonna go get Corbin some balloons because it's Black Friday. So his birthday fell on Black Friday. People can't hear you because you're talking so soft. I said his birthday fell on Black Friday this year because last year it was on Thanksgiving. The people still can't hear you. Balloons are secured. Tell them what happened. It was blowing up one of the balloons and then I realized I got a 2 and a 5. I am so sorry, but it's supposed to be a 4 not a 5. She was like, oh, it's fine. So cute. Don't trust me to go buy balloons. And the 2 and a 5. 2 and a 4! I mean 2 and a 4! Not 2 and a 5, 2 and a 4! Ah! He's 24. Yay! It's cute.
Hey.
Look at Corbin.
Hey,
do a little dancing dance for us. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. I so appreciate it. Like I said, thank you for still being here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting, subscribing, all that jazz. More videos will be up. I can't wait for you to guys watch them again. Until the next vlog. See you guys. Bye.